How to fix a blurry screen in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Switch to the best appearance settings. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, set the resolution to the one recommended by Windows for your display. Click Apply to confirm the resolution change. Right-click on your GPU, Graphics Processing Unit, and select Update Driver from the menu. Click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for the utility to download and install the latest GPU drivers. Restart your system and run an app to confirm if the screen elements appear sharp or not. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems. Select the one you want, ideally before the issue started occurring, and go ahead with the process.